Let's take some action, and we can learn about fractions. We'll learn a part of math attraction when we learn about fractions. You'll use them every day. Hi, I'm a pizza. I'm here to teach you about fractions. Listen to what I teach you and you'll feel satisfaction. Let's look at this pizza. It's 100% whole. There are no pieces missing. Boy, are we on a roll. If I slice this pizza into 8 pieces or parts, it is still one whole pizza until we take some apart. I'll remove 7 slices and place the number 1 here. The 1 represents the remaining slice over there. The top number is called the numerator. You see, it's the amount of slices that remain, you'll agree. The bottom number is the denominator still, which is the total parts in the whole pizza when it was first filled. 1/8 of this pizza is left because we still have 1 slice out of the 8 we started with. Fractions are out of sight. If I have 8 pieces of pizza and eat all but 2, 2/8 of the pizza remains. We started with 8 and now have 2. When you have 8 pieces and you eat all but 3 when you're done, you have the fraction of 3/8. That's the remaining sum. How do we get 1/2 when looking at a whole pizza here? If you take away half, 1/2 is what's left. I do share. This can also be 4/8 because of how the pizza sliced. 4 pieces are left from the 8 we had before we took a bite. And what is 1/4 from 1 whole? When we take away 6 pieces of pizza, 2 slices remain in full. We have 1/4 left out of the 4 quarters when we begun. This is what 1/4 looks like in this fraction when you're done. When we want 3/4 from this whole pizza, you see we take away 1/4 out of 4 3/4 there will be. I'll show you some examples of what we had just learned, and let's see if you can guess them before I say the answer each turn. Here's a fraction starting with 9 pieces as a whole. When 2 pieces are removed, how many pieces are left in full? Let's count. There are 7 from 9 pieces that we started with. 7/9 is a fraction that remains from when we started this. We'll start with 1 circle as a whole, then take half away. We are now left with 1/2 in this fraction today. This block has 7 pieces and you take away 3. 4/7 is the fraction of this block, now you see. So when you have a whole object and slice it up in equal parts and remove slices from the whole, what's left's a fractional part. Let's take some action, and we can learn about fractions. We'll learn a part of math attraction when we learn about fractions. You'll use them every day.